CSE students, you're coding the hard way. Here are the best free AI coding tools in 2026 that will change everything. Number 1, GitHub Copilot. Free forever. 2,000 code completions and 50 chats every month. It works directly inside VS Code, used by millions of professional developers. And students get it completely free. Number 2, Cursor AI. Built on VS Code so everything feels familiar. 2,000 free completions every month. It reads your entire code base and helps you understand it fast. Have a student email? You get the Pro plan completely free. Number 3, Windsurf. Unlimited inline completions. Free. It can plan and write entire code modules just from your description. Just tell it what you want and it builds it for you. Perfect for Python projects and complex logic. Number 4, Gemini Code Assist. 180,000 completions every month. Free. That's insane value. Powered by Gemini 2.0 Deep Reasoning. Works in VS Code and JetBrains. Strong for complex logic problems. Gemini's advanced deep reasoning powers integrate seamlessly with your VS Code and JetBrains environments, solving complex logic with unmatched speed and accuracy. Replit. No installation needed. Open your browser, create a project, and start coding with AI instantly. Perfect for beginners. No setup headaches. Just open and code. Free plan available right now. Number 6, Codeium. A free coding assistant that gives you real-time autocomplete suggestions as you type. Supports over 70 programming languages. Works in most editors. Completely free for individual students. Number 7, Blackbox AI. Paste your question or describe what you need, and it instantly returns relevant code snippets. Great for finding code solutions fast. Like Google search, but specifically for code. Free to use. Number 8, ChatGPT free tier. Unlimited GPT mini access. Use it to debug code, explain errors, and brainstorm solutions. Number 9, Continue.dev. Fully open source. Unlimited usage. Connect it to any AI model you want. Number 10, Qodo. It automatically generates unit tests for your code, including edge cases. Free plan available.
So that's GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Windsurf, Gemini, Replit, Codeium, Blackbox, ChatGPT, Continue, and Qodo. All free, all powerful.